Okay guys, so what I've said, this is episode 3 and it's 8:30 in the morning here in Prague, and as you can see, oh guys, very cloudy. Look at the guys, what's that hanging on the yung Christmas decors nila. So yan, so we're gonna meet our friends, our Ilonggoers friends, and you're gonna see them later. And yeah, so let's see what Prague can offer to us. Let's see, yung tingnan namin yung mga pinupunta ng mga vloggers. So kami naman, I'm not a vlogger, pero share ko lang sa inyo yung experience namin dito sa Prague with Amore. Okay guys, so see you later. We're back in Old Town City. Oh, Old Town Square, sorry. So, tingnan niyo yung mga building nila guys. Oh. Ang gaganda. So, ito yung Christmas market nila paggabi. So, tingnan mo yung sasakyan. So, busy dahil may mga deliveries. Yan yung main stage nila. So, kagabi meron dyan na nagko-concert Christmas carolings. Yung sa stage na yan. Ang astronomical clock is over that tower. So, medyo ngayon, yun yung Christmas tree. Yan. Yan yung Christmas tree nila pag tingnan mo. Yan kagabi guys, so grabe yan. Sobrang talaga ng Ilonggo guys. Anyway, ito po ay sobrang puno kagabi. Too crowded last night. You can even walk on that stairs because of people going up there just to take some lovely photos of Prague. Yeah. So guys, alas 9 ng umaga. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Pero parang wala kasing araw guys, so it's so cloudy. Yan. Ang ganda ng church na yan, oh. And this is the astronomical clock tower. So guys, pumunta kami ng maaga dito kasi if you came a bit late, you know, tingnan mo guys, 9 o'clock ng umaga pero medyo marami ng tao. Ayan. They are taking photos of Ay! Guys, ito na pala guys mga kababayan. Ito na mga kababayan pala natin guys, oh.
Tingnan mo, di na to sila.
Oh, grabe.
Sila sa Bratislava.
Grabe na, excited sila guys, oh. So guys, kontakin na lang yung babae sa photographer. Photographer to na. Ayan guys, oh. May nag-asa kanya ulit. May isa pa. Picture. Guys, kontakin nyo lang itong babae na to. Yan. Ano siya? Maniniyot. Guys, maniniyot na ng ano. This is a photographer. Oh. Dahil picture ba lang bayad dahil? Okay guys, so they're waiting for the magic of the clock. Magic of the clock. It's going to be I think 5 minutes time. It's gonna be 9 o'clock in the morning. So as you can see, people here are gathering somewhere here just to see how this clock ring the bell. Ring the bell. So everybody gonna sing ring ring the bell, my love. So guys, para hindi daw ko para hindi maduplicate. Walang may makapag-kopya ng ano, ng kanilang clock. So, para sila lang yung may astronomical unique clock. Yeah, there you go. So, it's 9 o'clock now guys. So, tignan yung bintana. Nagbubukas yung bintana doon. At saka yan yung mga ganap o yan. Oh, may mga... Tapos guys, yung nag-ring na yan guys. Kita mo yung skeleton doon. Yan, yun yung skeleton yung nag-ring doon. Ayun o, may ganyan-ganyan o. Tapos, yung nag... Yan. Mga apostolis ni ano. Ayan o, sino yan guys? Kilala yung mga apostles. I-focus natin kung... Ayun, parang 13 na apostles. How many apostles? Si Judas yung poster. Ayun, nag-close na guys. And then, 1. Yan. So, it's 9 o'clock. 2. 3. 4. 5. Kakount natin guys kung totoo nga. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Kami nakatiprano.
Oh guys, 9 o'clock in the morning guys ha, para mukhang 7 o'clock ng umaga dito. Guys, ito guys, so taga Bacolod. Taga Bacolod din guys. So, guys, gina professional na gina sa photographer na gina guys ya. Yung career na gina guys. Siya yung kontakin niyo lang guys pag pumunta kayo ng Prague. Ito yung mangingiyot ng Prague. Ayan natin. So ito yung old towns looks like on daytime. So this is the Church of Our Lady before Tyne. So makikita niyo dito daw guys, itong iskinita na to, yeah. So kung makikita niyo daw guys, so
Walk southwest.
Itong mga ano to, dadaan na lang sila dyan sa parang ano dyan, oh. Yung parang tulay na yan to connect the sa church na yan. So ito guys, so tignan mo yung mga iskinita nila dito guys, oh. Ang gaganda tignan ng mga, ang tawag ni Meg, cobblestone.
Kanami ay kamala.
Di tinlo. Malinis guys. Actually malinis guys. It's very clean ang city ng Prague, you know. Yan o, tignan mo, laki ng church ito. Yan. So ito yan. Hindi ko makita dito. So pupunta kami ngayon guys sa tinatawag na Powder Tower. Ayan guys, oh my.
Ano ang tawag?
Walk east.
Ayan guys, so may photograph, ano din pala doon guys, may photoshoot doon guys, oh. Ayan, tingnan niyo. So, wines. Winery. So, anong advice mo, Migodax, pag
Kanami sa ilang akuan, kanami sa ilang dalan kay.
pag pumunta sila dito sa ano, kailangan tennis, no? Hindi pwedeng mag high heels ang mga babae.
Oh, kay ipit
At saka mag pointed shoes ang mga lalaki. Ayan. So,
katawag sa ilang dalan kay.
Turn right.
so guys, this is it. This is the Powder Tower. So one of the most iconic landmark in Prague. Ba? Nakapusing na sila guys oh. Tika muna, nagba-vlog pa yung ano niya, nagba-vlog pa yung photographer niya. Yeah, tignan niyo guys, it's yun yung dulo na doon, yung doon yun, Old Town, that's an old town. Yung Christmas market, di ba? Yan, tignan mo yung so let's do having that picture. So guys, after ng visiting the Tower
Visiting
Powder, ayan. Yun. So now we're heading to Old Town Bridge Tower. Ayan, what? Okay guys, tama na guys. Sige mo guys. Kaga ko magyapon ni pag-google mo. Kaga pa ipa-open mo naman na sakon sa cellphone. Guys, pasensya na guys kung nag-alalisay kami guys. Kaya kabudlay kami maupod ka. Actually guys, lang pag mo. Ay, tamo to, Mig. Kasi mo yung details ng lamp nila parang sa parang Petromax sa atin dati na. Yan, ganun ka ganda ng lamp post nila. Dito lang yan sa guys, ngayon ko lang napansin na parang labubo pala yung butang simo sa back. Parang labubo pala ako guys. Live labubo. Wow. Look at the eskinita guys. Very cute sang ilang mga. So ito yung mga eskinita guys ng Czech Republic.
Turn right.
So guys, so makita nyo siya na laging starring to sa vlog ko. Guys, katahom skid sang amazing ko guys ang ilang mga building diba guys. Ito guys oh. So kung gusto mo talaga guys, European feels no? Napaka European feels talaga to ng Czech Republic. Ayo, tignan mo dito guys.
Turn left.
Ayan oh guys. Si Hercules. So, oy guys, oh tignan mo 'yo. Wow. So this ano pala to guys? Live street pala to guys. Parang akala mo iskinita lang pero dumadaan pala dito yung mga sasakyan. Bigyan ko gaano to kaganda yung mga side streets. Ayan. Guys, so parang may mais la guys, oh. Look at the corn. And she's gorgeous guys, no? May Starbucks din po dito. Malapit lang siya sa papuntang bridge. So tawag natin. So yun yung mga kasama natin guys. Mga friends natin from Negros Occidental. Oh guys, oh. Malamig kasi guys, grabe. 5 degrees Celsius yung ano yun. It's 9 o'clock. Yan o, kung guys sa mga... Yan o, mga, kung gusto nyo parang mga prinsesa kayo guys o. Yung mga pang prinsesa. Or... Ayan o, tingnan mo. Ayun. Ayun o. So parang mga figurine. Parang figurine sa guys. Ayan. So Kansas City. Okay. England. Oh guys, England. Sa England. Andito na tayo sa tinatawag na Old Town Bridge or parang Charlie's Bridge.
Continue following the road.
Yun. So ito na pinaka-famous na bridge dito sa Prague. So makita niyo dito guys, so tingnan mo yung view. Oh. Ganda guys, napaka the traffic. So may tram. Yan, may tram. Ganda ng tram nila, parang sa Portugal din, oh. May ganun din sa Portugal guys. Oh.
Kuya, tutok mo
pumunta kami.
si Kwan.
Oh, it's walk na walk.
Anak mo sa Portugal, si...
So they all stop there. Saldico. So we're going to find Saldico.
Continue following the road.
Oh guys, oh. Ganda. Ayan, dito na kami sa yan. Look at the bridge. So napaka-touristic ng lugar na to guys. Very touristic area. So ito yung mga makikita yung parang mga santos. Mga saints. Ito yung St. Charles Bridge because of maybe different saints. Nilagay dito. Yun guys, oh. Yun. Oh, there you go. That's bridge. So tingnan natin dito. Ito yung parang river. So titignan natin kung anong tawag yan. Lagyan natin yung mga pangalan mamaya yan sa ating vlog. Ayan o guys, so pwede ka so kaya hanapin natin mamaya dito guys yung ano. Super lamig guys, super lamig. Super. So makita yung details ng ganda ng bridge na to. Super ganda ng bridge. So hanapin natin dito guys yung parang heart of, ayan, itatouch mo daw yun, oh. Yan. Yan, oh. Hindi, mamaya. Yan, itouch mo yun. Yan. Tapos may candle guys, oh. So Henry, ay may nagpa-picture, oh. May nagpa-picture. Ah, wala. Okay, sandali na, sandali. So, babalik tayo dito, ma'am. Mamayang gabi, no? After ng ano, yung sa Old Town, ano, babalik tayo dito mamayang gabi. So, guys, ito yun, guys. Makikita nyo, guys. Tcharan! Ganda ng rocks. Nakita mo. Kakahoy pala to, akala ko sa photos, akala ko semento yan. Pero made of wood pala yan, guys. So, para protection. So sa kabilang bridge naman, ito naman makikita niyo sa kabilang bridge. Yan, iba namang view dyan. So wala dito yung parang running water. So ito yung nahanap namin guys, na saints, na itouch mo daw yung ano dito. Ayan, so magpe-pray ka dyan. Ayan.
저 뒤에 보고
여기
Ayan, tingnan mo yung main.
Ito daw pang paswerte na to guys, at saka ito daw. Yes! So guys, oh.
Oh, sorry. So guys, kung makikita nyo guys, ito talaga yung traditional lamp ng ano, tingnan mo yung detalye ng ano, ng lamp nila. Yan, parang Petromax siya guys. So sinisindet gas yan guys, yung nagpapailaw yan. So ganun ka very traditional pa rin kinikip nila yung ano nila. Nice. Masa ito sa ilang church. Tanong natin kung ano ang tour ng church.
Nakasada, wala man kaguba, wala man gibubuho.
Guys, so ilang mga kalsada, ganyan guys. Katinlo pag ito doon, in fairness, ka very, ara na, guys. This is the street that we are, hindi sila wise lang kabalo guys, kaya wala sila research before sila mag-travel guys. Ayun guys, so makita nyo. Ayun yung may nakita mo, hanging man.
Oh yeah, oo.
There's a hanging man.
Yeah.
See the hanging man? You don't see the hanging man? There's a hanging man. There you go. Kaya that's called it's hanging man. So one of the iconic man daw sa dito sa sa Prague. So as you can see that akala ko parang binibitay siya guys, pero yung ano pala siya na yan. Kaya tinawag siya hanging man. Kasi yun. Nag-hang on siya. So dito yung nangyari yung kasabihan na kahit anong mangyari, kapit ka lang.
Kapit wag bibitiw.
Kapit lang at huwag bibitiw. Yun. So there's it. There's the hanging man. There you go. And so there you go. Main Street yan. Hanging man. Ito yung MAJ building. Yan, makita yan. In the middle of the parang ano nito guys. Napaka-busy road na to yan. Ayan o, may tram. Ito yung tram o. So a car. Ganda ng tram, ang laki ng tubo. Yung parang helicopter siya guys, no? Ano ba yung parang ano, yung sa ano ba tawag ito? Yung sa ano bang film na to? Yung Avatar. Yan, it's like Avatar. Look at the details. So parang helicopter siya na doon yung driver. Yan, parang Avatar ano siya guys.
Avatar team.
Avatar team. So let's go to the over there. The rotating head. So, oopsie. So you can see the rotating head. It's over here. So nakikita ko na guys kung saan yung rotating head. So yun na siya. Do every minutes lang gurata siya nag-rotate. Ito, ayan na. As you can see, the head. So dito sa mall na to, MHA Mall, paglabas mo dyan, nandito lang yung rotating head. As you can see guys, it's outstanding ovation. Ayan guys, nag-rotate nga yung head. Yun, so he's facing, yeah, he's facing to me now. Ayun. Yun, no?
Ay, nag-face na sa mo pa.
So, ayan, nakita mo yung shape ng head niya. Ito na siya. So parang every minute nag-rotate siya. So hintayin natin mag-rotate ulit. Ayun. So pabalik-balik lang siya, no? Then it's going to face. It's facing that way. Ayan. Ayan siya. Ayan ang NHA Mall. So it's facing that way. Ayan. Sabi mo guys, ang daming nanonood. Ayan, ang daming nanonood over here. Ang mga nanonood guys, too many. Yan, mag-rotate naman siya guys. Ayun, mag-rotate naman siya. Yan. So, it's facing to me, over me. Hello. Mag-hi tayo guys. Hi. Hi. Yeah, so it's facing to me now guys. Ayun, rotate na naman siya. Oh, kaway kayo, kaway. Doon naman siya. It's facing the building na naman siya. So talagang 360 degree pala yung rotation ng head na yan. So, ayun oh. Balik na naman. So pabalik-balik lang. Ayun. Ganda no. Nakatubang na sa. Ayun na. Completely nag-rotate talaga siya. Yun. 360 degree. Oh, yun oh, umikot talaga siya guys oh. Ganda. Amazing. Yun oh. Ayan. Oy, nagsalot. Nagsalot siya guys. So, very outstanding. Bravo. So guys, there. Sige lang yung rotate niya. Rotate lang siya ng rotate. Ayan. Nakasama ko guys. So evidence na dito talaga kami sa rotating head. Oh, ayan. Kailan ba mag-rotate yung head ka?
Nagwapo sa iya, Dek.
Ha?
Nagwapo sa iya kataas sa ilo.
Tayo natin yung long out. Magkakili. Papayo mo siya. We're heading into a National Museum. So ito yung National Museum nila guys. Ayan. Ito yung National Museum.
Turn left.
So guys, ang policy. May scaffolding guys. So we're heading there. So parang itong shopping center dito guys. From High Street to High Street. May ginagawa lang dyan guys. So yun pinunta namin yung parang National Museum. National Museum. Yan. Yan magaling yan. Yung frog. So let's open the National Museum. Oh, wow. Look at that. How shining, shimmering, splendid. Museum, guys. Ano mismo? So, kada coffee shop ka nila, pwede man kaka marijuana. May mga flavor. Oh. Yan, may medium.
US import.
US import. So different kinds of cannabis. From here, that's the church. And that is the dancing building. So makikita nyo guys. Grabe guys. Gusto nyo mga ito cobblestone. And that's the dancing building. Just beside. Talaga. May video lang. Nag-vlog pa guys, nag-vlogs pa. Nalikit sila kay Arnas Lao. Yan, kasi actually guys, dancing building. In the middle of the grass. Busy ang ano to guys. Dito kami mag-lunch sa Yuri Restaurant. Tingnan ko na yun nila. Wow! Ang ganda ng restaurant na to, parang Asian vibes. Guys, nalipat na naman mag-vlog sa amon nga food.
Marami sa among food.
Because
Enjoy a lot.
it's really nice. It's a Malaysian restaurant. Yeah.
Yuri restaurant.
Mine is
Ipa-try mo sa ila deck, dire-deck kung hari.
Yuri. Yuri recommended yung Yuri restaurant. Just across the dancing building.
Dancing house.
Oh, dancing house.
Iconic na Meg.
Makita mo lang sa babaw
triangle na, mo na?
Mabuting pata kami din na.
Panoramic. Panoramic.
Amo na sa babaw nga na may triangle?
Yes.
Oo.
Kano po gila na?
Ikaw lang to sa kaulat lang lang sa.
Ano ra?
Guys, this bridge below, very historic to.
Ano na to Meg? Very ano?
Very historic. Very iconic. Lahat ng mga view dito iconic. And we're going to climb. Doon na. And si Dax, you're gonna be proud of them because we're gonna climb on the stairs going to Prague Metronome. Metronome. Yan yung Prague Metronome. So historic guys, very historic. Guys, itong mga kasama ko guys, pasensya na kayo guys ha. Medyo stairs, takot sila sa stairs.
Ha?
So pero guys, napakadali lang naman tong akyatin. So kung kaya po nila guys, kaya nyo din. Kaya mo yung dalawa to. Oh, see, naganahan na siya.
Support lang, support.
Support. Maury, you're right there. So guys, kumili kayo sa stairs. So that's the stairs. Ganda ng mga graffiti nila. Yan. Doon kami pumunta sa Prague. Ayan. No? Ayan. Pronounce natin mamaya guys. Kung anong pangalan nun. Konting kembot na lang siya. Guys.
Ay, panoramic view na ganito sa Prague.
Yeah. And then we're here in Prague Prenome. Prenome ba yan? O Prenom? What's that? I don't know. So over there. That's it. This is the one. Guys, gumagalaw-galaw siya. There's Amori. Don, proud of you. You should be proud of her, guys. Dax. Yeah, wait. So dito makikita mo lahat ng guys. Ganda ng view ng Prague. Prague City. So that's the Charles Bridge. Yung pinuntahan namin kanina, no? Yan, yun yung may mga saints. Yan, makikita mo dito lahat. And yung tower na yun, kaya sa gasin yung jeep. Yan yung tower yun guys, yung pelikul na tower na yun. Yun. Kita mo doon. Tanda na natin. Kita. So kita mo yung river nila, river. Umikot-ikot na siya. Yan. Gumagalaw-galaw pala siya guys. Kami, ito lang klase sila sa... Oh!
Picture dito sila. Uy,
Oh, very proud ka sila.
Sa lawan na yung background.
naman yung background.
Saan na yan? Prague. Prenome. Nagkita. Nagkita ko.
Ay, wala mo na ako. Kumagupa na ako.
Guys, very iconic. Ito yung parang ano nila, signal.
Dala ba picture ta na
Mga talaga telecommunication.
Tagalay ma.
Telecommunication. Telecommunication. So, parang park siya sa taas, guys. So, kung pwede rin so dadaan ka ng stairs or sa likod parang ano. So, research natin to guys kung ano bang purpose ito. Reklamo sila guys ang panaog padalong. So guys, no, grabe. Ayan. So swing siya from the left to the right. Holding a pine, so clean and bright. So guys, we're going now to Municipal Library of Prague. So imagine guys, we climb. Where's that? Saan na ba yun? Ayun, dun. Ayun guys, so yung parang triangle dun sa dulo. Yan, umakyat kami doon. Kagagaling na namin doon. Ganda. Ng view. Yan. Turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little. Sa Prague. So guys, ito yung parang ano nila, high street. So dito lahat na yung mga medyo branded. Papuntang Municipal Library of Prague. So Ralph Lauren there. Chanel.
Turn left.
Channel 2, Channel 4. Yan, Valentino over there, Rolex. So, lahat ng mga Versace. Versace on the floor. Ayan, ito na yung library. Ayan na, ito na guys. So, lahat ng mga mamahalin dito pa ako. If you have money to spend, then you go there. Look at this old town. So I could say guys, every corner and every street here in Prague, napaka very attractive and iconic ang mga building designs. Historic, iconic, amazing, fantastic, lahat na guys. Guys, there's a cameraman. Look at the cameraman, say hello. Guys, look at the hollow blocks, guys. iba din yung shape ng hollow blocks nila. Na pinapunta yung building. Ganyan pala yung mga hollow blocks nila, guys. Mishka, this is the Municipal Prague Library. But look at the queue outside. The queue is too long. Over there. Oh gosh. So that's pila. So we're gonna wait because the queue is too long. Wala.
Yata?
Yeah. Oh my god, where are they gonna end? So it's gonna end in here. Here. So the pila is there. Hindi naman kanila guys, sa UK tok-tok lang, ilay ako namin. Isang ilay doon pa classic yung malapit na kami guys sa Chimney. La última. So guys, so going up. Okay na. So guys, inside yan. Sasakay na yung danan. Guys, so lalabas na tayo. So it's a back. Yung pinipilahan nila. We're back again in Old Town Christmas Market. It's marzipan. Guys, tingnan mo. As in, apoy talaga yung pork. Yan. Then they put it on the bread. And halushki, yung halushki daw, masarap yung halushki, klobasa, isaro, pazga, sonka, old Prague ham. So ito ba yung old Prague ham? Baka ito yung tawag yung old Prague ham. So that's halushki.
Pork napkins over there.
Sausage.
How much is it?
So guys, this is the old Prague ham, and this is what is the sausage?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Sausage.
Prague sausage, and this is haloshki. Okay, Don, what does it taste like?
Okay lang.
At saka parang guys, feel na feel ko talaga dito yung spirit of Christmas. While you're eating, sa choir. Prague food. Anong kinakain mo? Yan yung Prague ham.
Old Prague ham.
Old Prague ham. So try it. And bigyan mo ko ng rating 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Yan.
Hang on.
Okay. 1 to 5.
It's 5.
5. Yours is haloshki. 1 to 5. What is it? 1 to 5?
3.
3? You don't really like it? About the hot dog, Carnola?
Maybe 4.
About the cold sausage, klobasa sausage?
About 4.
4? Okay, guys. So guys, this is klobasa sausage. We're going to try it. And with the sourdough. And we try the this is called haloshki.
Halushki.
Memorize me the
Haloshki is made of cabbage, macaroni, and ham.
Macaroni, no.
It's bacon. It's bacon.
Macaroni
Bacon
Potato.
and potato and onions.
Cabbage.
and cabbage.
cabbage.
Yeah. And this one is old Prague ham. Old Prague ham is old Prague ham.
Ano tigulang na niya?
Namin. Okay. Pila nila ang Prague chocolate. There you go. Pila mga kamaw sa Prague chocolate. Nice. Ganito kadami yung tao. So many of them. We just waited for the clock to strike. Anytime the clock will strike around 3 minutes. And the clock will. Grabe, ginulat nila yan. That's the journal clock.
Pierwszy dzwonek na platformę, tak? Adam, slow motion. Ale wyłącz tę lampę! Adam, nagrałeś? Bo to już było. To trzeba będzie w slow motion zrobić. Ale mają parę podwyżek, pójdą po Austrię.